Is your Samsung Galaxy A54 not recognizing your SIM card? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience this issue, but most of the time it's easily fixable. The most common reasons for this problem include physical damage or misinsertion of the SIM card, software glitches, or network issues. First, power cycle your device. A simple restart can often clear up temporary software glitches, preventing SIM detection. If that doesn't work, power off your A54 and carefully eject the SIM card using the provided PIN tool. Inspect the card and the SIM tray for any signs of damage or debris. Clean the SIM card's gold contacts gently with a soft, dry cloth. Ensure the SIM is properly seated in the tray and reinsert it firmly. Double-check you have inserted the SIM correctly. Then power on your phone and see if the SIM is detected. If not, move on to the next step. If cleaning and reseating the SIM card didn't work, the issue might be with your phone's settings or software. Head into your settings and go to General Management, then Reset Network Settings to clear APN and Wi-Fi data. It's also crucial to ensure your Galaxy A54 is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap Download and Install to check for any available updates. These updates often include bug fixes that could address SIM card recognition issues. If the problem persists, contact your carrier to verify your account status and ensure there are no network outages in your area. They may also be able to provide a replacement SIM card if yours is faulty. One last thing to try is go into the Settings, then Connections, then SIM Card Manager. From here, Samsung has a diagnostic tool that can test the SIM card functionality directly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there might be a hardware problem with your phone's SIM card slot, especially if you live in humid areas. In this case, it's best to seek professional repair from Samsung or a qualified technician to avoid further damage and maintain your warranty. Remember, forcing a SIM card can cause damage and cost more money to fix.